Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make blossom flowers with paper. To begin, gather your essential crafting supplies. You will need some colorful, lightweight paper, sharp scissors, and a reliable glue. Additionally, have floral wire and floral tape ready for creating sturdy stems. A ruler and pencil will also be very useful for ensuring your cuts are accurate and consistent throughout the process. Now, let's focus on crafting the individual petals. Carefully cut out 5 to 6 petal shapes from your paper. Aim for each petal to be about 2 inches in length. Next, take a pencil or a thin dowel and gently curl the outer edges of each petal to give them a natural curve. Finally, make a small 1/4 inch fold at the very base of each petal. With your petals prepared, it is time to assemble your blossom. Apply a tiny dot of glue to the folded base of one petal. Carefully attach it to a central point, then continue adding the remaining petals, overlapping them slightly to form a full flower shape. Once all petals are in place, secure the base firmly with a small piece of floral tape. Then, insert a piece of floral wire through the center to create a sturdy stem. To complete your beautiful paper blossom, wrap the entire floral wire stem with green floral tape, starting from the base of the flower. You can also cut out a few small paper leaves and attach them to the stem for a more natural appearance. Finally, gently adjust and fluff the petals to achieve a full, open blossom shape. Your handmade paper blossom is now ready to be displayed and admired.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.